Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Please, if you've not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload. So today I'll be sharing with you on how to make Aju Mbaise for new moms. This is highly delicious and medicinal. So to be making this recipe, here are the ingredients to be using. This is Aju Mbaise. We'll be using the dried ones. It's also the same thing with the ones that are still green. The nutrients are still intact. Alright, so this is the dry one. So we'll be using it for this super recipe. So the next thing we'll be using is uziza seed. We'll be grinding the uziza seed. This is grounded Cameroon pepper, salt to taste, seasoning cube, uda seed, prekese. You can also have other names for it depending on your dialect. This is crayfish. We'll be grinding it. Then we'll be using dry fish. You can also combine it with other fish. We'll be washing and deboning it. So the first thing we'll be doing is to unwrap the Aju Mbaise, then wash thoroughly. So wash thoroughly. So after washing, you'll be transferring to a pot, then add water to the same level. Hope you guys are seeing it. Then apply heat. So this is it, it's boiling. So as it boils, it becomes more concentrated. So you cook till you are satisfied with the concentration you want. So it depends on but it's advisable it becomes very concentrated. You leave it till it boils and becomes very concentrated. So this is it. So after that, you make sure you sift to trap unwanted particles with a sifter. Then you add your prekese first. Then uda seed, you add in your dry fish, You add your grounded uziza seed, your grounded crayfish, your grounded pepper, then cover and leave to boil for about 30 minutes. So it's boiling. This is it after 30 minutes. You add your seasoning cube, you add your salt to taste. Please, for the recipe measurement, visit adasrecipes.com. This is delicious. Delicious. It smells good. So leave it for another 5 minutes to boil. So this is it, almost ready. Wow, I take this for 3 consecutive months after each birth. I enjoy it so much. You can take it with any swallow of choice or yam. You can also take it like that. Like I said, not to be taken by pregnant women. It's to be enjoyed by new moms and for those that feel they want to take it. So this is it. It's ready, delicious. It smells good. Please don't forget to try it out. You will love it. Like I told you earlier, my name is a woman, so I will tell you how this is good. This is good. So for the Aju Mbaise function, I'll be posting the link in the description box. All right, to get more of the functions of this superpower hair. I'll be posting the link in the description box. You need to have a taste of this. You need to have a taste. Delicious. It smells good. It smells real good. Oh God. Hope you enjoyed this video, beauties. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you